Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between opportunity cost and economic cost. Both concepts are important in economics and business decision-making. Opportunity cost refers to the value of the next best alternative that is sacrificed when a choice is made, whereas economic cost refers to the total cost of a decision, including both explicit and implicit costs. Now, let's understand the major differences between them. Number 1. Opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative foregone when a choice is made, whereas economic cost is the total of all explicit and implicit costs associated with a decision. Number 2. Opportunity cost is an implicit and intangible cost, whereas economic cost includes both tangible and intangible costs. Number 3. Opportunity cost consists only of implicit costs, whereas economic cost consists of explicit costs plus implicit costs. Number 4. Opportunity cost does not involve any actual cash payment, whereas economic cost may involve actual cash payments through explicit costs. Number 5. Opportunity cost is not visible in accounting records, whereas economic cost includes visible explicit costs and estimated implicit costs. Number 6. Opportunity cost is generally not recorded in accounting books, whereas economic cost is calculated by combining recorded explicit costs with estimated implicit costs. Number 7. Opportunity cost is difficult to measure because it depends on estimating alternative benefits, whereas economic cost is easier to measure because many of its components are directly observable. Number 8. Opportunity cost helps decision-makers compare alternatives and select the best option, whereas economic cost helps evaluate the true total cost of using resources. Number 9. Opportunity cost focuses on future benefits that are given up, whereas economic cost focuses on the total costs incurred by a particular decision. Number 10. Opportunity cost concerns only the next best alternative, whereas economic cost covers all costs related to the chosen course of action. Number 11. Opportunity cost focuses on what is sacrificed, whereas economic cost focuses on what is used or consumed. Number 12. Opportunity cost exists only when alternative choices are available, whereas economic cost exists regardless of whether alternatives are considered. Number 13. Opportunity cost is used to determine the best allocation of scarce resources, whereas economic cost is used to determine the true cost of production and operations. Number 14. Opportunity cost is essential for rational decision-making, whereas economic cost is essential for evaluating profitability and efficiency. Number 15. Opportunity cost helps maximize potential profit by choosing the best alternative, whereas economic cost helps calculate actual economic profit by considering all relevant costs. To summarize, opportunity cost focuses on the value of the best alternative that is given up, whereas economic cost focuses on the total value of all resources used in making a decision. Understanding both concepts helps businesses and individuals make better financial and economic choices. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.